Okay, before we had the Pathfinder, everything in this department which you see now was actually cut by hand. We were a bit nervous at first bringing in this new technology, and we've had unskilled guys that aren't computer literate, but just the training they gave us and introducing this new software, it was the phase-in period and the phase out of the old stuff was brilliant, and it was a very smooth transitional process. Oh, look, at the speeds, it's improved by at least 400%, and just the sheer output of it. Before, like I said, everything was done manually via templates, via drawings, everything else, so we've basically eliminated all that, and the ability to nest, layer cut, and the speed of the machine, and the reliability of the machine, accuracy of the machine, like I said, has increased productivity, efficiency output about 100%, and obviously minimising reworks and any further quality issues that we had by manual cutting. From a safety point of view, we don't have guys leaning over benches all day cutting by hand, and just a sheer minimum of movement they have to do now. They basically nest the components on a computer, layer everything up, and then start the cutting process, and they jump on the end of the table. Before, everything was moving weights around, paperwork around, moving fabrics around. It was very labour intensive, very hard on them, and a very slow process. Now life's a lot easier for the operators. Like I said, the quality and the accuracy of the machine is second to none. And yes, I'd happily have another 10 Pathfinder machines and recommend anyone to buy Pathfinder. Yeah, really good service, really good company, really good guys. Like I said, the product is second to none in my eyes.